Your father come back with big music. Anyways, hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is going to be a dear pasta, which I found very interesting. It says this. Yes, babe. There is nothing burning.
The new brake pad that I'm put on. You can't go run it on the highway just now. Tap.
So it says, this is the second time I'm writing to you. I wrote to you when I was in my teens and you gave me good advice. Now I'm 24 years old and I am in trouble with my boyfriend. I know that you will advise me. My boyfriend does welding. He did some work for a woman. She gave him a part of the money and now she doesn't want to pay him the rest. She said to me, she asked me to call her, he asked me to call her and ask her for his money. Big red flag. If a man does his job, he's not supposed to be telling his woman to call a next woman to ask for the money that he worked for. That don't make no sense. Anyways, this man is 30 years old and I told him to call her and demand his money. But he said that he was asking me to do it. I called her and explained who I was. And she said that she didn't owe him any money because they had worked that money out already. I asked her what she meant by that and she said I should ask him. She said that the two of them became friends while he was working for her. She said that she fed him and they became lovers. So she advised me to keep my nose out of lovers' problem. She asked me if I couldn't see that he hadn't called her and had asked me to call her instead. Pastor, I can't believe that my boyfriend could be so simple to work on a woman's house, to grill up the whole place and accept sex as payment. I told him that he should sue her for his money. He would lose, okay? He would lose, especially if that woman have messages proving that they had sex while he was doing the work at her house. He would lose if he sue her. Alright, so he is not denying that he had sex with her. He's only saying that she is a liar because she did not have any arrangement like what she described. Right now, he is not working because he works for himself and things are slow. And every day I have to feed him. I don't mind feeding him because when he has money, he does not hold back in the amount that he would give to me. I told him that he was not short of skin because I am here for him. So why did he have to seek skin from the woman who is much older than himself? My boyfriend is too soft. Please give me your advice. Let me tell you something. If a man can go to someone's house to do a job and he just have sex with that woman, that shows that he's not committed to his relationship. That shows that he will have sex with pretty much anybody because this woman is a stranger. Your next question to him should be, did he use a condom and if he knows if this lady is pregnant or not. Those are your next 2 questions, and you should be following up those questions by going to a clinic and making sure that you didn't catch an STD or HIV, because just how easy is that woman willing to give up her front to make sure her house is grilled up should cause a means for concern for you and yourself and your well-being. If I did me, you couldn't come back on me yard. First of all, you cannot use sex, cum, sweat, good conversation, or any of that to pay his bills. So you would have to go get that money from that lady before you set back foot in my house. Like you said in the article, things are slow now, and that is why he is wanting his money for the job that he did. But he wasn't thinking about that when he was pleasuring himself with another woman. So in that case, he would have to go get the money from her. Honestly, he would have to go get that money. I don't know where these men come from with their train of thought and their thinking these days. And you are, I don't know if you're in love or what it is, but obviously you're committed to your relationship. You want things to work, but you guys need to be on the same page, and there are certain rules and regulations and boundaries that if you cross in a relationship, that relationship should be done. Okay, he violated you. He had sex with a woman that he didn't know as a means of payment. Like, that right there is violation to the max. This woman can have STD, HIV, anything, and he just went and stick himself into that woman. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. What are your advice to this woman? What do you think she should do? Should you think she should fill up her man because he have sex with one woman as payment for a job that he did? Do you think that she should stay with him, work things out, put boundaries, rules, and regulation in place that if he cross again, give him a second chance basically, then the relationship is over? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.